Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti, and we are here for our morning maths classes. So, children, let's get started with this class. Yesterday we did division. Today we are going to continue with the same thing, like the division only. And I hope you all are practicing. If not, then please keep practicing. Please start practicing. It's for you only. Also, children, as you know, we have these classes daily. And let me tell you, these classes go live on YouTube. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the daily updates. Also, to interact, to get your doubts clear, or to ask me anything, or to give the answers, there is a chat box under the video. Make sure you use the chat box. All right. So let's see. Let's see 95 divided by 5 with method. Now, how to do 95 divided by 5? Yesterday, do you remember we did this? 95 inside, 5 outside. So, 9 divided by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay. Now, first step, do you remember yesterday I told you the first step is check. Do you see 9 in the table of 5? No, but what less than 9 in the table of 5? I know that 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 times 1 is 5. Second step, like you have checked, you have written. Second step is subtract. Okay. Now you will subtract 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? So here 9 minus 5 is 4. Subtraction done. Third step is bring down. See, is there anything to bring down? Yes, there is 5 to bring down. You will bring down 5. Now this has become 45. What's next? You have to repeat. Repeat whatever you have done so far. Like check again. What you have to check is see whether you see 45 in the table of 5 or not. We see 45 in the table of 5, and that's on 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Done. Easy, right? Let's try to do the next one. 99 divided by 5. Now, how to do 99 divided by 5? Let's have a look. 99 here, 5 inside, because 5 is the divisor, 99 is the dividend. First step is check. Do you see, oh wait, that was 95, this is 99. Do you see 9 in the table of 5? No, we see 5 times 1 is 5, which is less than 9. 5 times 1 is 5. Second step, subtract. Yeah, subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. Third step is bring down. You have to bring down. What are you supposed to bring down? 9. Do you see 49 in the table of 5? What less than that? 5 times 9 is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. Because after bringing down, it's repeat. 9 minus 5 is 4. 0, 4 is the remainder. 0, 4 is the remainder. Okay? That's how you have to do it. Easy? I want you to do this by yourself. I'm giving you 30 seconds. I think that's enough to do this question. 39 divided by 3. So let's find out 39 divided by 3. First step is check. You have to check whether you see 3 in the table of 3 or not. I do see 3 times 1 is 3. Second step is subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next step is bring down. We will bring down 9. Do you see 9 in the table of 3? Yes, we do see. 3 times 3 is 9. You subtract and 9 minus 9 is 0. Yeah? Okay. So here 13 is our quotient. We have 3 as our divisor. 39 is the dividend. And over here 0 is the remainder. That's how you do it. Okay. Next question. 41 divided by 3. Let's do it quickly. These questions are very easy. Forty-one divided by 3. All right. I hope it's done. Do I see 4 in the table of 3? No. But what less than 4 in the table of 3? 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And you know the first step is to check. We have checked. 3 times 1 is 3. Second step, subtract. Let's do the subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next step after subtraction is bring down. Okay, let's bring down 1. Do you see 11 in the table of 3? 11 is not there in the table of 3. But what less than 11? 3 times 3 is 9. Because if I take 3 times 4, that will be 12, which is more than 11. We can't take that. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. You know, after bring down, it's repeat, right? We checked 11. Now we are going to subtract 9 from 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Next is bring down. Is there anything to bring down? No. So over here, 2 is the remainder and 13 is the question. Yep. Next, 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7. Come on, come on. I hope it's done. All right. So over here, 84 divided by 7. Do you see 8 in the table of 7? No, we don't see. What less than 8 is 7 times 1? 7. Subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down. It's 4. 14 now. Do you see 14 in the table of 7? Yes, of course. 7 times 2 is 14. I hope you got this as the answer. If yes, that means you are doing great. Next question. Come on. These questions are for your practice. Consider this as a practice session. The more you will do it with honesty, the more you will gain it. First step is, do you see 7 in the table of 6? No. How many 6s in 7? Only 1. 6 and 7, only 1. 6 times 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 8. 6 times 3 is 18. 0 is the remainder. 13 is the question. Now, children, moving on to a different kind of question. Like earlier, we were dividing 2 digits by 1 digit. Now we are dividing 3 digits by a single digit. Actually, there is no major difference. Things are same. The process is same. Like 7 times. Do you see 1 in the table of 7? No. But what less than 7? 7 times 0 is 0. I will tell you with, the easiest way. 7 times 0 is 0. Okay? Wait. Yeah. 7 times 0 is 0. Step by step, I'm taking you. There is no shortcut in this. First step was check. I checked. Next is subtract. Then bring down. Then repeat. I have checked. I'll subtract now. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bringing down 0. Now this has become check. I will repeat now. Do I see 10 in the table of 7? No. Less than 10 is 7 times 1 is 7. So 7 times 1 is 7. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. I subtracted. I will bring down the next number now. That is 0. Now this has become 30. Do you see 30 in the table of 7? No. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. I will take 28 because that is less than 30. So 7 times 4 is 28. 2 remainder. And 14, the quotient. I hope I made this clear to you. Yeah. Now, let's practice one more question like this. Okay. 527 divided by 3. Try to do it. Come on. Okay. So here, 3. Do you see 5 in the table of 3? No. Less than that is 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down 2. Now this has become 22. 22 in the table of 3? No. 3 times 7 is 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. Bring down again. 17. No. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. 2 is the remainder. 175 is the quotient. I repeat. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2. Bring down 2. 22. No. 3 times 7 is 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. Bringing down 7. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtracted, you got 2. Children, next kind of question is when you have to subtract 2 digits by 2 digits, basically. So how do you do that? I'll tell you step by step. Do you see 52 in the table of 12? 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. And 12 times 5 is 50. We don't see that. So we will take 12 times 4 is 48. 2-digit things are also very easy, like 2 digits by 2 digits. That is also very easy. Same process you have to follow. Next is wherein you have to divide, okay, let's see this, 85 divided by 17. Now, let's see how we can do this. Okay. Now, if we see the table of 17, 17 times 1 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 3 is 51. 4 is 68. 5 is 85. Yes. So 17 times 5 is 85. But you will see it here like, okay, this is again 3 digits by 1 digit. So that's how you have to divide 2 digits by 2 digits. Okay? That's how you have to do 2 digits by 2 digits. One more question we will practice. 126, or let me do it like 126 divided by, okay, so I'll make some change in this question. I will make this as 126 divided by 17. Okay, 126 divided by 17. 17 times 1 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 3 is 51. 4 is 68. 5 is 85. And 6 is 102. I have just written the table of 17. Okay. Now, let's see it here. Yeah. 17. Do you see 1 in the table of 17? No. 17 times 0 is 0. Subtract. Bring down 12. Do you see 12 in the table of 17? No. 17 times 0 is 0. Bring down 6. Oh, I have to write after that also. 17 times 7 is 119. 17 times 8 is 136. So, 17. Do you see 126 in the table of 17? No, I don't see that. But I see 119, which is less than 126 because 36 is more. So I'll say 17 times 7 is 119. Let's subtract it. 6 will become 16. 2 will become 1. 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7 is the remainder, and 7 is the question. Oh, wow. Coincidence. Okay. That's how you have to do it. And yeah, children, that's all for our today's class. I'll see you tomorrow again to have more practice questions like these. But I would request you all to kindly practice by yourself as well so that you can get a hold of the concept. Okay? Thank you so much for joining. Have a lovely day ahead. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a good day.